come to the standard of mass. Here you are going to evaluate this equation. Here we are going to make use of BODMAS, which tells us that first of all you begin with in bracket. Here we have the bigger bracket, so we are going to begin with the inner bracket. So 7/3 minus 3/7. We evaluate that first, as I have done here. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So 49 minus 9 is 40/21. So you obtain your result here as 40/21 of, this is the same as 2 plus 1, 3/2 divided by 5. Then from there, here you can divide by 0, 0, so that you have 4/21 times, all means times 3/2 divided by 1/5. Now 1 divided by 5. So we stage the division into multiplication by using reciprocal. Reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. Then from there, now we simplify this by 3, 1, by 3, 7, by 2, 1, by 2, 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. 7 times 5 is 35. Then from there, now you add 3/5 plus 2/5. I have done it here aside for us, whereby now you LCM of 5 and 35 is 35. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 35 divided by 35 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 21 plus 2 is 23/35. All right. Once you get now 23/35, you remove the bigger bracket, which is 1/2 multiplied by 23 divided by 35. So 1 times 23 is 23. 2 times 35 is 70. And that is how you evaluate that this fraction of equation in those simple method steps. Well, what you need to do it is to follow the procedure as I have guided you, and when you do that, you are going to obtain your result in the simple method steps. So bye bye, see you in the next presentation as we keep on learning together.